Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first half of November. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's get started. Let's see what's there for Leos. Okay, we have the Ace of Cups, the Five of Pentacles, the High Priestess, the Knight of Swords, the Knight of Cups, Six of Cups, the World, the Page of Wands, and the Temperance. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from this deck for Leos. Okay, the Sun card. Guidance from the angels. Okay, Four of Abundance. Okay, so Leos, you had a new beginning, or you have a new beginning with the Ace of Cups, and this is something which is really very, very emotionally fulfilling for you. Okay, so there has been something like that. I'm saying that there has been something like this because it is being followed by the Five of Pentacles. So definitely something you were emotional about, you have to leave it for some reason. Okay, so you either you have been ignored, you've been rejected, the other person has not accepted your offer. Perhaps you were very emotional about this person or the situation, and you offered them your love, and perhaps it was turned down, sort of. And that is why you are feeling very, very rejected and upset about it. Following it is the High Priestess, which talks about that this is what you are doing. You are trying to find a solution to it. You are trying to understand as to what happened, what was the entire situation, how should I have dealt with, trying to find solutions to it, trying to find an approach to deal with it, perhaps. Okay, so what I feel here is that you are still emotional about this situation, and following it is the Nine of Swords and the Nine of Cups. See, it can be that with the Nine of Swords, perhaps you rushed in very fast towards this relationship or this person, and that is why the other person perhaps wasn't mentally prepared for that much, or they couldn't take it, and you felt rejected. Perhaps they didn't reciprocate in the way you wanted them to reciprocate. It can be that also. Okay, or maybe they were not able to make up their mind, and they gave you a decision which was negative. Okay, so either you felt negative because the reciprocation wasn't equal to what you wanted, it can be that, or maybe actually it was that they didn't show any interest, it can be anything. And the reason behind it is that perhaps you rushed in very fast, and uh, maybe you committed some mistake, or they were not ready for it. So this seems to be the reason behind it. But with the High Priestess, you are trying to look into the thing as to what happened, but you are still emotional about this person, because with the Six of Cups you want reconciliation with this person. And here is the Nine of Cups. So what I feel is, since you've realized that this was the mistake, that you rushed in very fast, now you are going slow with the Nine of Cups once again towards this person, approaching this person for this reconciliation with the Six of Cups. Okay, because you have realized that going too fast or rushing into this person was the mistake, and now you are correcting it, going a little slow, still offering that love to that person, wanting a reconciliation. And I think it has been accepted this time, because here we have the World card, the Page of Wands, and the Temperance. So you have now changed the situation, you have now balanced the situation in a wiser way, and you are taking it a little slow. But this relationship, I think you are able to achieve this reconciliation. You are able to convince them to sort of patch up with you, or convince them to be with you in this relationship, because here we have the World card, which is definitely a new chapter of your life. So you are reconciling with this person, opening up a new beginning with this person, and following is the Page of Wands. and the temperance. So you have actually balanced this relationship in a wiser way, going slow, taking it stepwise, taking it in a mature way, and that is how you have achieved this reconciliation with the person, whosoever this person is in your life. Here we have the Sun card. So ultimately, it is the happiest card over here. So it is giving you a lot of happiness. You're really happy because you are getting what you wanted by just changing this approach and correcting whatever mistake you've done. So you are getting it. Here with the Four of Abundance, it is a time to reflect upon your relationship with money. Are you spending it too freely or you're holding on to it too tightly? This can also relate to how you give yourself to others. Is your heart open or are you holding back? Your hard work and wise investments will bring great success. So this is talking about, in this situation, this is talking about the relationship. So are you spending it too freely? It's a relationship with yourself. Are you giving yourself too freely? Is your heart open or are you holding back? So this to me talks about the relationship dynamics, as I've already told you. Perhaps one of you is the person who opens up very fast, rushes in very fast, and you gave yourself too much or 100% into the situation, and the other person wasn't ready. That's what I said. Okay, and perhaps they were holding back. They just took a step back. I said, okay, they were not ready for it, as I said. So this is the relationship which you needed to balance, and that is what you've done over here with the temperance, that you have gone slow, you have managed this relationship in a better way, and or you will be doing that, whatever it is, and thus you are able to save this relationship and get back what you actually wanted. Okay, Leo, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.